Hi everyone, welcome to Tech and Cryptos. In this video, we're going to talk about the account deletion process in the Temu app. Suppose for any reason you want to delete your Temu account, there is an option available inside the app. So for this, open the Temu app first. Then from the home screen, tap on You. Scroll down to Settings, press on Settings, then on the Account Security tab. Here in the bottom, you can see there's an option that says delete your Temu account. When you press on it, there is a text and there is a check-in box where you have to check that you want to permanently delete my Temu account and all its data to continue. When you continue, the Temu app asks for the main reason behind deleting your account. You can check any of the reasons that feels appropriate to you and then press on continue and you can delete your Temu account for good. In this way, you can delete your Temu account. I hope this video helped you. If it did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also make sure you're subscribed to our channel Tech and Cryptos, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.